The Ducati Desert X, Ducati's all-new Dakar-inspired enduro bike. Now, I was fortunate enough to take this bike out on a brief ride, so I'll run you through the specs and share with you my thoughts. As soon as I left the dealership, I could feel that I really wanted to hit some twisties. I wanted to feel how this bike would handle it. I mean, it looks like it should be a really top-heavy bike, but as I suspected, it's not. So, let's start with the overall look of the bike. Now, I will say this, I think it looks great, very Dakar inspired. Ducati has resurrected this look, the grandson of the Cagiva Elephant, a Paris Dakar winner from the late 80s, which of course we all know was owned by Ducati. Probably only the Yamaha T700 comes to mind, as its only modern day lookalike among all the adventure bikes on the market today. But there's only a handful of bikes, including the Desert X, that are really aiming for some serious off-road riding. And with its 937cc L-twin cylinder engine pushing out around 110 horsepower and 92 newton meters of torque, acceleration was smooth and easy, and is matched perfectly with a 6-speed gearbox and a slip assist clutch. It has a full up and down quick shifter, which is smooth and easy to use, and the Desert X tipped in the corners with ease. Comfortably sitting upright on this bike also made me feel in full control, and I can see how this bike would perform off-road in the right set of hands. The KYB suspension worked an absolute treat, with the 46mm upside down forks at the front and the monoshock at the rear easily took on the road surface, keeping me comfortable and letting me enjoy my ride. Matched with a 21-inch wheel at the front and an 18-inch wheel at the rear, this long travel suspension setup on the Desert X will easily take on some really gnarly off-road riding. The Brembo braking system is also top-notch. This bike has the twin 320mm discs up front and a single 265mm disc at the rear, which provided ample stopping power. And of course, there's ABS, traction control, cornering ABS, and wheelie control. There's LED lights all around, cruise control, a 21-litre fuel tank, and it also has 6 riding modes: urban, sport, touring, wet, and with Ducati introducing 2 more riding modes specifically aimed at off-road called Enduro and Rally. There's a 5-inch TFT dash, which is great and clearly visible and easy to read, and it has specifically been designed like that by Ducati so it can be easily read while standing up on the pegs. And it does come only in one colour, which Ducati call Star White Silk, which looks so good, so much so that I really don't think that the camera does do it justice in this light. I really like the look of the screen and how it transitions from the black to clear. Very clever. I really enjoyed riding the Ducati Desert X. A great, comfortable bike to ride, easy to handle with a smooth and powerful engine. It has great road manners, and with the appropriate skills, this bike would make a great off-road bike. So guys, on that side of things, that was just a brief rundown on the Ducati Desert X. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, I'd be interested to hear what you think, so please feel free to leave a comment down below. All information and links will be in the description. My thanks to Fraser Motorcycles here in Wollongong for allowing me to take the bike out and film this ride. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.